Hey, it's your man David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the Used Car Superstore is this 2013 Ram 1500 SLT in maximum steel metallic paint, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine underneath the hood. This is a crew cab configuration truck with the 5-foot box on the back. Come to the front here, you'll have halogen headlamps lighting up the road in front of you with high beams. Those are also the running lights. Turn signals are right there, and there's 2 fog lights on the front bumper. Front and rear bumpers are chrome, and you do have that crosshairs grille in the front, giving it that unique Ram look that everybody knows and loves. Come to the side here, this 2013 Ram 1500 SLT is running on 17-inch rims, and this has 4-wheel disc brakes all around, and the tires are Goodyear Wrangler mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction, and there's mud flaps behind all 4 tires. Chrome door handles on the outside on all 4 doors, and both driver and passenger side door mirrors are heated, which is fantastic to have in the wintertime. Open up the driver's side door here. This does have 2-toned colored door panels. Storage down below with 2 big cup holders. Storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm. This has power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger side windows up front are automatic. Chrome door handles on the inside on all 4 doors. And there's unique styling touches on all the doors too. This has automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it. Dimmer knob right there, that will turn on the box lights. Fog light button right there, and there's a directional air vent right here which you can close and open. Handle right here so you, the driver, can easily get inside this truck. This has a soft touch steering wheel, feels great in your hands. There's a tilt steering wheel too. Driver's seat is fully power with lumbar support. This has cloth seating throughout, adjustable headrests on the front seats, and this has adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall of a person you are, you can adjust the seatbelt height so you're most comfortable inside this truck. Nice materials in the middle here for arms to rest on. There's a nice Ram badge right there. Grab this chrome handle. There's an upper storage area here, and there's also a USB port and an auxiliary port connect to your media. Plug anything into those areas and you play your own music through the Ram speakers. And there's also another USB port right there, which is fantastic for charging devices. And if you have cords coming out of here, run them along the side so when you close the lid, it doesn't crush your cord. Grab it lower. There's a larger storage area. Enough space in here. You can put a football in here if you really wanted to. And there's a ledge there for some pens. There's 2 big cup holders in the middle. Nice styling touch. And this does have an automatic transmission. There is a 12-volt DC power outlet right there, and a great spot for your cell phone. And of course, you have your rear view mirror up there. And up top here, there are also reading lamps, and they also act as interior lighting when a door is opened. Let's go check out the back seat area. All right, there's storage down below, storage in the middle, nice place for an arm, power window switch, great style. The Ram badge there too. Handle right here so passengers can easily lift themselves into the back seat of this truck. Lots of footroom in the back seat area, along with plenty of headroom. Hooks up above so you can hang up nice clothing. So if you're going to a nice event, your clothing doesn't get all wrinkled. There's another interior lamp right there. Fold down armrest with 2 big cup holders here. Adjustable headrests in the back seats too. The seats do flip up, and you put things on top of here, and underneath here there is a storage compartment, so feel free to put whatever you want in there that you don't want in sight. Close that back up, it locks, and you put the seat back down like this. And underneath the mat here there is an insulated removable in-floor storage area. You put ice in here, keep cans of Coke, bottles of water cold, and if it gets dirty you can remove it and clean it. I like how they stay nice and hidden under the mats, and there's a pocket on the back of the driver's seat. And down here, there is a 12-volt DC power outlet, a nice Ram badge, directional air vents here, which you can close and open. Excellent. Let's keep on looking at this Ram 1500. All right. So that chrome bumper on the back here is looking very nice. Down here you do have a spot for a trailer hitch with connections, so you can hook up a trailer or power up any aftermarket devices using this Ram 1500. Nice Ram badge, 4x4 badge, SLT badge, looking very good. This Ram does have a back camera built into the tailgate handle right there. There's hooks in all four corners so you tighten your load so you don't lose anything when you're driving down the highway. This does have spray and bed liner, and the box lights are just up there. And this is a locking tailgate. Press the lock button on the key fob. All four doors will lock, including the tailgate. Let's come on to the other side here. Okie dokie. Storage down below, storage in the middle. Nice place for an arm, great style, Ram badge, power window switch, convenience handle on this side too. Park on the back of the passenger seat as well. And down here, you can't forget the insulated and removable in-floor storage areas, which you can put drinks in and food and ice to keep things cold. The side flips up as well. And of course, there is storage underneath here. Close this, locks up, put whatever you want on top, and you can fold the seat back down like so. Front passenger side here, storage down below, storage in the middle, power locks, power window switch, looking very good. Passenger seat is manual adjustment. Underneath the passenger seat are the tire change tools, which allows for easy access. There's airbags built into the front seats. There's side curtain airbags, driver and passenger side airbags, and more. Lower glove box here with a manual. Upper glove box here for many things. Spot for some pens or packs of gum, directional air vent, which you can close and open. Convenience handle, and there's a pocket on the side of the little console right there. And there's also a pocket like that on the driver's side too. The top and side, take a closer look at this Ram 1500 right now. This is the key fob. There is an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button, and a nice Ram badge on the back. And this also has a nice regular key right here, looking very good. But using the key fob, you can stick this into ignition right here, and then all you gotta do is turn it, and that starts up this Ram 1500. The tachometer, the speedometer, the fuel gauge, and the temperature gauge. Very clean design, and it looks very good. And this truck only has 48,045 kilometers on it. Say, what? I know that's not very much at all for a 5-year-old vehicle. Yeah, so it's like brand new in here. And using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel right here, we can go through the driver information center screen in the middle. And the first thing you'll see is that there's a digital speedometer, which you can change to miles per hour if you're going to the States. You have your vehicle info area, tells your tire pressures for all 4 tires, tells you your transmission temperature, oil pressure, oil life, battery voltage, engine hours, full on gauge summary, and back to your tire pressures. Fantastic. You have your fuel economy here, lets you know your average liters per 100 kilometers. Hold this button here and you can easily reset that. Also tells you your fuel range on your tank of fuel. You have a trip A calculator and a trip B calculator. Both of them tell you how far you've driven, your average fuel economy, and the time you've been driving for. Hold the button here. You can reset one or both of those. Message center, in case this Ram wants to tell you something. Screen set up here, so you can press the screen, make it more of your own, and there's more settings down below. Turn the menu off if you don't want to look at it. Press the button on the steering wheel again, and the screen will come back on for you. This is an info bar that will tell you what's playing on your audio when it's turned on, but it's off right now. And it is a customizable info bar. And there's an outside thermometer there, and there is a compass. And if you open up any door on this truck, it'll let you know in the bottom left corner which door on the truck is open. So there's this big Ram badge in the middle here with, of course, a horn. It's a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right. Automatic transmission down here, correct. Manual shift mode is right down there. It's very easy to use, and your hand easily fits over that very well. A little storage spot down below here. You have traction control, tow/haul mode, 115 volt AC power outlet. Another great spot for some pens or packs of gum. Climate control right here. Easily adjust your fan speed, adjust your temperature, and you can adjust where you want the air to go. This button here will turn on the heated mirrors. And you have hazards, directional air vents, which you can easily adjust. And you can close and open these. A nice Ram badge, a little spot there for some things. And this has 4-wheel drive, which is fantastic to have in the wintertime. So using this knob, you can easily engage the 4-wheel drive system. If you put this Ram 1500 into reverse, the backup camera will appear on the rear view mirror here, right about there. And up here is a switch for the rear sliding window. So you can easily open that up. There you go. Very, very easy. Fold down sun visors here, and these are breakaway and they do slide out. There's the vanity mirror on the passenger side, and this one also is breakaway and it does slide out like so. There is lots of visibility out the front window, and here is the media center. Press the power button right here. Great sound quality through the speakers. Oh, so beautiful. Turn it back down just like this. This does have Sirius Satellite Radio, and it tells you the song and the artist in the middle of the screen. That is very nice. Also has AM radio and FM radio. If you have something plugged into the USB port or the utility port, press the media button here and you choose which area that you want to listen to music through. Presets down below here. Hold one of these numbers with your finger and you can easily set a preset. You have seek buttons, play pause button, adjust your audio very easily. Treble, bass, mid-range, very cool. All right here. Menu here, so you can adjust system settings. Back button will help you guide through your systems, which is this one. Not systems, it's just system. And if it's not showing you the song, the artist in the middle of the screen, press the info button there, and that should bring up the music info for you. And this is a tuning knob and a browse button, of course volume knob, a power button, and you have your ABC button there. There you go. Press the power button, turns off the screen for you. This Ram 1500 is a fantastic truck to own. Definitely come book a test drive soon. It's the 2013 Ram 1500 SLT in maximum steel metallic paint, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine. Underneath the hood, this is a crew cab configuration truck with the 5-foot box on the back. This truck is 5 years old and it has low kilometers. It is in very good shape. It is very clean, very comfortable, fun to drive. It's got lots of power and is ready to hit the highways again with you in the driver's seat. So come to Crosstown and see this truck in person. I'm David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.